Good afternoon. Welcome back to Volkswagen Lady Garage. If you're new, welcome in. If you're returning, welcome back. Today I'm going to touch on something and show y'all something. I had another video, and I'm choosing not to put that up because you could hear my TV in the background. And y'all don't want to hear none of that. Y'all want to hear about me repairing this. So I apologize. I am going to get around to things this weekend. Here in a second, I've got to go run some errands, take care of some things, and I'm going to come back and be a little bit more like me and go to storage and try to put more stuff in. You may get to watch me do some stuff. If I'm honest, over the course of the last few months, things have been busy. I'm regaining sight of what's important with this. Trying to get around to making stuff again instead of just sitting here doing stuff. But man, some of the parts for this car have been insane to find. I have been searching for some stuff over 8 months to a year. And this was actually one of them, so I've got this fully assembled. I'll show you how to do it. This is the fresh air box. This has probably been the biggest one because all the ones I've seen either been sold, not available, or have been for Super Beetle model cars. And mine's not a Super Beetle, mine's a sedan, just a regular sedan. Another thing that I had decided not to go with it was actually a unicorn find as well. Has been the oil bath air cleaner, and I decided not to go with that. I've got a really nice chrome one that should be just as good. Oh yeah, and the brackets that are on this have been rough to find as well. But I've got one that's a little bit off that I'm going to show me repairing. So we'll dive right into that. Got a handy little tool set. This small little Hyper Tough tool set from Walmart is really great. So I'm going to get into it and I'm going to show you all this. So as you can see, we got our clamps, we got our cables on there. So what we're going to do, you see, and the cool thing about this is there's like a little groove for you to feed your cable through. So with this one, I don't know, this one just wasn't slid up far enough. So I'm going to unscrew that and slide it up just a little bit more. So I'm going to hold the cable because if you don't watch, these cables will come out. So I'm going to have to take that whole screw out. Now y'all really get to watch me do some stuff. There we go. So if you want me to get really detailed, so this is the top piece. This is where your screw will feed into, and like I said, you've got like a little groove in there for your cables. So you take that, and there's like a little hole, there's like a little slotted hole for it to feed through. So I'm gonna take it. Oh yes. Dang. Over here looking like I belong on a scary movie or something. you don't want it to have any gaps or space or nothing. So that's what I'm going for with this. So I'm tightening my screw down. As I'm tightening, I'm keeping it held. Don't you slide on me. I'm not playing that today. Perfect. There we go. And there you have it. A nice assembled fresh air box. Well, like I said, I'm gonna run errands. Hopefully get down there and start on it. And we're gonna see what happens. I'll talk to you later. Bye.